Hey guys, how we doing? This is Jim with Styrene Monkey. Now, I wanted to show you this build I've been working on for quite some time. And the two kits I'm showing you here in front of you are two kits I used to make this idea I came up with. Now, I don't do a whole lot of kit bashing. I've never been really too successful out of it. It's pretty much of a headache. But I thought, what the heck, I'll give it a try. And I had this idea. What if I could take these two kits together and use the paint scheme from the Gulf GT40 Lemans car? And I thought, well, let's give it a try. So I went ahead and did it. And let me get these out of your way here. You can see what I came up with. Now, right here in front of you is a concept I came up with. I saw it on the internet here and there, but I thought, wow, the Gulf GT40 paint scheme would look pretty cool on here. So, yeah, I went ahead and went for it. Did a lot of things to try to get this motor to fit. Now, like I said, this is the engine from the Willis model kit. The zoomy pipes are not. I bought those aftermarket on eBay. And did some braided lines in here and did some aluminum pulleys and have the real rubber belt there. And cut out the air intake here for the cab and just cut out some aluminum off a sheet of aluminum and shaped it into and formed it in there and put a wire to make it look like it opens and closes to give it that look. But yeah, the wheels are from the Willis kit, which took a little configuration to get this back one on. The front one went on just fine. But went ahead and ordered the gravity paint, like what you see here in front of you, which is the Gulf GT40 paint scheme. And went ahead and painted it all blue first. And then I was trying to look for some decals to get the orange striping on there with the black pinstripe aside. And I couldn't find anything at all. So I thought I'm going to have to do this by hand. So I got out my handy dandy Tamiya tape, and we went ahead and laid down the orange stripe first, and then we went ahead and did the thin black stripes on either side with this Tamiya tape. The Tamiya tape is great tape. I love the tape. I have never had paint creep underneath it when I've sprayed it on heavy in that. It goes down great. Tamiya tape really works well. Now, to get this engine also to fit in there, I had to use some, what do you call it, plastic structure from the hobby shop to get the motor mounts. So I had to make my own motor mounts to get this in there, and use some aluminum tubing for the, I guess you can call that a bumper. I don't know what you really call that. There's one on the front and back, and cut it. And then I drilled some holes on either side here, and then I used some straight pins and cut them a little bit short, and then just super glued them in there to give it the look. But yeah, I've been working on this for quite some time now, on and off for about a year. And I just let me see if I can show you the bottom here. It's just plain Jane under the bottom. Now, when I was trying to put this in here, the engine, the transmission, it had a mount for the transmission, but it would not fit this motor. So I just went ahead and left it. I probably will figure something out later on down the line, but you know, it's underneath. Nobody really sees it unless I put a mirror underneath it for a show. But that's what I came up with. And like I said, it's nothing in the back. I was trying to get a Gulf sticker in the back. Nobody had a Gulf sticker. I guess I could have printed out my own, but I've never really tried that yet. But I went ahead and got some decals aftermarket. That was a racing decal set. It came with different numbers and came with white circles, square circles. So went ahead and bought that also aftermarket, and went ahead and put the white circle with the number 7, lucky number 7. I just went ahead and picked that number, and got some you know, racing stickers on here from other kits. I think some of these stickers are also off the Willis kit, and added those to it. But yeah, that's what I've been working on for quite some time now, and I think it came out great. Now, the one problem I'd tell you I did have with this was I did have the tub in there for the interior, and when I put the tub in there and tried to fit it to the frame, it would not sit down all the way like I wanted to on the frame. It sat up high, like a high boy. So I went ahead and took the tub out, and after doing all the detail for the interior, that just went to waste. And I went ahead and put a piece of plastic across the bottom, and I went ahead and put the dash in, and then I took some clear plastic and I sprayed it with the Tamiya Smoke. It's like a clear smoke paint to give it the tint look, and I sprayed that on the front and this, or I should say the sides and the back glass, so it hid some of the detail. You could see it through the front. Now I did put the seat in there with the seat buckles and all, but all in all, came out great. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, if you have any questions or anything, let me know. And until then, hope you all are doing well. And I want to thank all my subscribers for hanging in there for the years I've been on YouTube. And happy modeling. Bye-bye.